I have a Fisher Paykel dishwasher model DW920 and it leaks water from the handle of the door and the bottom right of the door. It only seems to leak when the dishwasher first starts. Do you think it may be the seals? I bought it in 2003. Liz.
Hi Liz and welcome to the website. Thank you for your inquiry. When a dishwasher leaks through the door and to one side, or in fact anywhere around the door, it can only be a few things causing this problem. Loose screws, or a faulty cabinet seal. This is what you need to do. Open the door of the dishwasher up and go around the sides of the door and gently tighten every single screw you can see around the door located on the stainless steel inner panel. Also note, most detergent dispensers have screws in them also, so check there and tighten any visible screws in that location as well. On the sides of the control panel, there might also be some screws there. If so, tighten them as well. Once you have tightened all of the screws around the door panel and dispenser, with the door still open, visually inspect the main cabinet seal that the door closes against. With the door open and kneeling down looking into the dishwasher, you will see the seal starts from one of the bottom corners and goes all the way up the side, across the top and back down to the opposite corner at the base. After this amount of time, the seal is probably going hard and not really flexible like it used to be, so when the door is closing, the rubber might not be pushing against it with the required pressure. Thank you for using JustAnswer and let me know how you go with your investigations, okay?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.